Welcome back to Inner Wellness Us, the space where we decode the secrets of connection, desire, and irresistible attraction. Today's video is not about manipulation. It's about emotional influence. It's about mastering the art of making a woman not just like you, but genuinely miss you. We're diving deep into 7 subtle yet powerful tricks that, when done right, will have her thinking about you constantly, even when she's not sure why. Whether she's your girlfriend, someone you've just met, or even an ex you're hoping to win back. These tips will plant the right emotional seeds in her heart and mind. So let's get into it. The 7 psychological tricks to make any woman miss you deeply. Trick number 1. Create emotional peaks, then vanish. You can't miss someone who never left an impression. That's why the first trick is to create emotional peak moments. This means laughter, excitement, deep conversations, physical chemistry. Anything that makes her feel alive in your presence. Then you vanish, not in a rude way, but intentionally. This pattern, intense emotional engagement followed by absence, creates a contrast her brain can't ignore. She'll begin replaying those moments on loop. Why? Because the brain craves resolution. And when someone disappears after a high point, the emotional memory lingers harder and longer. Lightbulb pro tip: end your calls, dates, or texts on a high note. Don't drag it out until it gets boring. Trick number 2. Speak to her soul, not her surface. Most men flirt with a woman's body or appearance. Few ever touch her soul. Want her to miss you? Speak the words that no one else says. Go deeper. Ask, what's something you've never told anyone before? What do you wish people understood about you? Then listen, truly listen, without judgment. When you connect on that raw, emotional level, you separate yourself from every other man she's met. And that depth, that safety, it's rare, it's memorable, it's missed. Emotional intimacy makes your absence louder than any physical distance ever could. Trick number 3. Disappear just enough, the right kind of mystery. Let's be real. If you're too available, too predictable, too always there, she won't miss you. She might appreciate you, but she won't crave you. You need just enough absence to build curiosity. Don't answer texts instantly all the time. Take time for your hobbies, friends, goals. Let her wonder where you are and what you're thinking. That mystery is powerful. It makes her lean in. Now remember, this isn't about ghosting or ignoring her. It's about creating emotional spaciousness, room for her feelings to grow. When she doesn't know what you're doing, she starts to think about you more. And thinking, that's the first step to missing. Trick number 4. Leave behind emotional triggers. Want her to think of you out of nowhere. Leave emotional breadcrumbs. Give her things to associate with you. Introduce her to a song that becomes yours, or a unique scent that she can recognize instantly. Send her a voice note instead of text, so she replays your tone, your laugh, your presence. These little anchors lodge themselves into her emotional memory. Days later, she'll hear that song, smell that scent, or hear someone say something you once did, and boom, you're back in her head, and she won't even know why. Trick number 5. Use strategic compliments. Most guys say, "You're beautiful, you're sexy, you're so pretty, nice." Sure. Memorable? Nope. Now try these. The way your mind works is unlike anyone I've met. I feel calm around you. That's rare for me. There's something in your eyes, like you've lived 1,000 lives. These aren't just compliments. They're emotional hooks. They go deeper. They echo in her mind long after you've said them. And when she reflects on them, she doesn't just think about what you said. She thinks about you. That's how you create a longing far beyond the physical. Trick number 6. Leave the door slightly open. Whether it's after a date, a conversation, or even a short relationship, Always leave the emotional door slightly ajar. Say things like, "You're fascinating. I don't think I've figured you out yet. There's more I want to discover about you someday." This leaves an unfinished story, and the human brain hates unfinished stories. We seek closure. We want answers. So guess what she'll do? She'll revisit you in her mind, try to piece you together, and miss what felt undone. That gentle emotional cliffhanger makes her more curious and more connected. Trick number 7, be that one man who doesn't try too hard. Here's the twist. The more you try to make her miss you, the less likely it is to happen. But when you show up as grounded, passionate, and unbothered, you become magnetic. You're not chasing. You're not forcing. You're simply being. That confidence, that calm presence, that energy that says, "I want you, but I don't need you," it's irresistible. And when you're gone, even briefly, she'll feel that missing space hard. Because you weren't just another guy trying to impress her. You were different. So let's recap the 7 tricks to make any woman miss you deeply. Create emotional highs, then vanish. Speak to her soul, not just her looks. Disappear just enough to spark curiosity. Leave emotional triggers, she'll connect with you. Use deep, unique compliments. Leave the emotional story unfinished. Be the man who doesn't try too hard. But here's the real truth. You can't make someone miss you by chasing them. You make them miss you by being so emotionally impactful, so uniquely you, that your absence becomes louder than anyone else's presence. Be rare, be deep, be unforgettable. Drop a comment below. Which of these tricks do you think is the most powerful? And if you love this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss your weekly updates.